Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if your Chrome browser running very slow or working not properly. Then here are the fixes. You can easily fix your slow Chrome browser. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner and here hover the cursor on help and choose about Chrome. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner, help about Google Chrome and update your latest version of Google Chrome browser. Sometimes outdated browser may be a cause of working not properly and slow performance. So update your Google Chrome browser and after that relaunch Chrome. The next fixes is again in Google Chrome browser. Now Chrome is up to date message you will receive. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose settings. Click on three horizontal line against top left corner and click on browsing history and here choose delete browsing data. Under privacy and security you will find clear browsing data. Choose all time and make the check against all these options and click on delete data. Clear your browser cookies, caches and site data to speed up your Google Chrome browser. The next one is again click on three vertical dot against top right corner and here look for the option extensions and open it, and if you have added any extension to your Google Chrome browser, simply disable temporarily, and if not in use then simply remove it. And you can see dramatically your Google Chrome browser speed will increase. The one more fixes is again go to same vertical dot top right corner and click on settings. From the left side click on three horizontal line and here go to system settings. Click on system. Here you will find use graphic acceleration when available. Turn off this feature and relaunch Google Chrome browser. The one more fixes is again click on three horizontal line against top left corner and choose performance. Thereafter scroll down and you will find memory saver. Make sure that this feature is turned on. If you found it in off mode then enable this feature. Enable memory saver. Three options available: moderate, balanced and maximum. Choose balanced recommended.